Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing well. So today we will see another improvement that is around Moodle 4.4, and lots of improvement have been made around the user listing, the filters on the user listing page, and the bulk user operations you can do on the listing page itself now. So earlier this bulk user operation, there was a separate section. It is also there now, as of now, but yes, it is. It also have been introduced on the normal user listing page. So let's get started with the demo of the same. So here I am login with the Moodle 4.4 and I am under the admin login area. So let me try creating a user here. Okay, so let me put test01. Password, just going to put the admin one, this, and this is email ID I am going to use. Save, create user. So once you will come on this user page, so again let me go back to the normal user tab, then the browse list of users. Here you can see the filter is the UX improvement around the filters you can see. Okay, suppose you have first name, you'll have to search for test. If you press enter, that will also work, and if you apply, click on apply, that will be also working. And if you click outside, then this filter will be hidden only. Okay, now here for the bulk operation you can see the checkbox here. Okay, so the moment you tick at least one, uh, this functionality will be enabled, like whether you want to confirm that user, send a message, delete, force password change, add to cohort, reset user authentication factor, etc. So earlier this feature was only inside a uh, bulk user operation. Let me come to that page. So under this account settings, the browse listing users, then there is a bulk user actions. So from here you will have to, there was feature to, you can filter out your user. For example, like I just filter there, I will have to, yeah, the test filter. Now you can see one filter, then you will have to add here, then it will move to right, then only this kind of operation you will be able to perform on this. Got it? But for now you will have the ability on this listing page to do the all the operations here, like confirm, you can confirm the user. If it is not confirmed, you can send a message, delete, download. Yeah, so download is the not given here. Force password change, that is also here, and add to cohort is also here, and reset user authentication factor is also there. Yes, so this is now suppose you will have to work around these actions around the user listing, so you don't have to worry about go on the different page like the bulk user operation. You can do everything from the user listing page itself, and you don't have to move from here the user from left to right. So it is going to save your time also, and some database operation query execution is going to be minimized, because if you put from left to right, it will take some time in case there is a huge data. Okay. Now for the resetting, we'll have to come here and we have to click on the reset all. Got it? So the download table as data. Why there was no option to download? Because here there is a separate section to download. So that's why it is not here. Okay. So here you can see the download. Let me try this. That was on the bulk user operation. Okay, so this will do the same thing here. That's why it has been removed from here. And there is one more thing. Yes, you can see it is asking for the CSV and all the stuffs, all the options like the XML, CSV, the HTML table. You will see everything here. So download has been given here. Let me go back. And there is one more thing, display on page. So if you click here, it will basically send you to the listing page. It will show you like listing page. So this one itself is not given here because you are currently on the listing page. So that's why there is no need for listing. Go back to again listing page. Okay, so all the bulk user action have been merged into this user listing page itself. Okay, so you may be there may be some change in coming feature. They will remove this link because everything is being covered here and now under browse list. Got it? So now if you click on this user here, you can see some UX level of improvement. Like you can see the border of this box or div. You can see the radius rotate has been given on the each and every angle. The same thing you can see here on the course page. Okay, if you create a course, test course, got it. So by default it has been custom section. Titles have been removed to custom sections. Rename is here. Data topic 1, topic 2. Now you can see each and every thing same this. You can see the same thing is appearing new sections. Okay, so in the coming video I'll be covering this, what are all the improvement that have been made around the course. So please follow, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. That's all.